Okay, now we are going to show you some tricks that you can use on Google Sheets. Although you can do that, you can also do this on Google Translate. We're going to translate from other language to English. Okay. Now here we have Spanish and German. We're going to try this using Google Translate also. Yep. And then the word. Okay. We have to put a comma here. And then the source target, the source language, which is Spanish. The acronym or the code for Spanish language is ES. Okay, we have to put a punctuation here, then ES. Okay, like this, and then we have to put a comma here. And then what's the source target, which is English? We're going to put a punctuation there, and then EN, and then so hello. Okay, so if you want to put, you have to know all about all of this. You can go to drag it, okay, and it will going to salute health. Okay, now we're going to check on German. Right now we're going to check what's the code for German. Okay, in German. Mm, okay, that's DE, right? So let's try that. Let's go there again. Going to go to English. Okay, again, I'm going to use Google Translate. And then what's the text here? Put a comma, and then punctuation. Then again, what's the source target? DE. And then put the punctuation there. And then comma. Then what's the source target, which is the English. And put a quotation, EN, quotation again. And then close parentheses. Okay, let's see. Good day. Guten Tag. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the German word. And we're going to drag it to check. Okay, hello, hi. Okay, and then goodbye, please, thanks, excuse me, health. Okay, so it's different. Gessen, hey, all right. And right, we're done with this. Now we're going to try another tricks here using a QR code. For instance, you have a website that you want to share to your friends. You want to provide your website, but you don't want to provide your links because it's too long. Okay, instead you can use a QR code. Okay, you can do that. We can generate a QR code for my channel and also my website. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to QR code generator and then go to QR code API, and then we're going to use this link here, which is a call to option. I'm going to copy the link, right, and then we're going to go back there, but we're not going to paste this link. Okay, instead we're going to paste it somewhere on this cell. Okay, then we're going to generate a key or link for this channel, and we're going to use encode URL and then select the text. All right. Here we're just going to remove the example word. Okay, and then here we're going to use the link, this one, going to copy it, then paste it here, okay, and then put an ampersand, right? Now we're going to put the image option, image, and then put a open parentheses, and then close parentheses, then enter. Error. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we need to put a comma here, and then this one. Now let's try. Okay, got it. All right. Here you cannot drag like this one, like putting this, right? Oh yeah, we can put that in.